Hey everybody, Dylan Tutton here with Open Roads Complete RV. Hope y'all are having a fantastic afternoon. You know, a lot of people always ask us about our pre-owned inventory. So if you guys are looking for a fifth wheel for 30 grand or other, do we have a fifth wheel for you? This is our 2017 Keystone Hideout fifth wheel. It is in fantastic condition, and I wanted to show it to you guys and definitely give you guys a heads up to go check it out on our website at openroads.us. It's out there. It is in phenomenal condition, so I can't wait to show it to you. Again, this is our 2017 Keystone Hideout. The model number is a 315 RDST. So as you can see, it is kept in great condition. It does have power jacks on it, front and rear. Very easy to control. It's actually going to be all right here for your docking lights and your landing gear control there as well. And it does already come with stabilizers. So a lot of people like to have stabilizers on their fifth wheel jacks. Just that way it stabilizes your camper a little bit better. Now, moving around on the working part of the camper, as you can see, this has a phenomenal cross-through storage like most fifth wheels do. Put any kind of tables, coolers, grills, anything like that you're trying to take, you have plenty of storage for. Then very easy to get to your black and gray water tanks. It's all right here, and it's very easy to get to and just put your sewer hose on. Now, as you can see, it's got two slides, but more importantly, it already comes with slide toppers. So it's really great. You don't have to worry about getting up there, sweeping leaves off the slides, any kind of water getting in the slides or anything like that. So that's one thing it already comes with, an advantage of buying a pre-owned camper. So moving on around here. So as you can see, they're pretty deep slides as well. We're going to check that out once we get inside. This is a 50 amp connection. So a lot of the bigger fifth wheels are going to have a 50 amp connection. It's really great for your second AC, which this one does have. So we're going to check that out too. It is pre-wired for an observation camera. You guys have heard me time and time again talk about the observation cameras, especially for the fifth wheels. It's really great going down the road, changing lanes, or even backing up at the campground. And it does have a ladder too, so if you did want to get up on top of the roof, check out those seals around any kind of skylights or anything like that. It is a fully walkable roof. All right, moving on around. As you can see, you got a great size awning here. LED lights up underneath the awning, fully power. It's really great condition. Bluetooth speakers outside too. Now moving right on inside. Good size fridge. Good size fridge there, and then you also do have your freezer here. It is gas and electric, so whenever you're going down the road, it's going to be running off your propane. Whenever you're plugged up at the campground, it's going to be running off your power. Look at the storage in here, y'all. So this is a rear den floor plan, so you're going to notice it has a good size kitchen right as you walk in. Great counter space, great storage here. Awesome drawers. Then you're also going to have your stove and your oven. Then, of course, you're going to have even more storage over here for cabinet space. Now, moving on into one of my favorite parts about this floor plan, take a look at this den. You have two couches on each side, and then you're going to have theater seating. The theater seating is looking right at the TV, so really great. You're going to have tons of windows in here, tons of lighting. Really does give you that open feel, and you have double slides on both sides. So you're going to have plenty of space in here. You got to be here to feel it. But this is an awesome entertainment area. Really great for either those short trips, long trips, tailgating, anything you guys are wanting to do. It has plenty of space in here for. Now let's move right on into the master. First thing we're going to check out is the bathroom. You're going to have a great size shower right here. Solid glass shower door, so that way no water or anything is going to get here on the floor. Good size skylight, so give you a little bit extra headroom there. Awesome deep cabinets. Then you're also going to have your medicine cabinet here. Really great. It has a plug in the bathroom as well, so if you need it for a blow dryer, curling iron, anything like that, you've already got your plug-ins right there. Now moving on into the master. Now the first thing y'all are going to notice is it doesn't have a mattress. It's really actually kind of nice it doesn't have a mattress, just so a lot of people like to change those out anyway. Also, it makes it easier for me to show you guys the awesome storage up underneath the bed. So guys, they did not spare anything on this storage. It already comes with a TV mount in the master as well, so all you gotta do is just put your TV right there. It looks like it could probably fit a 32-inch. You're good to go. And then here is that second AC I was talking about. It's really nice to have an air conditioner in the bedroom. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love my AC going. at night, so definitely make sure your bedroom's cooler. Now, the other thing is you're also going to have a wardrobe right here inside the master as well. So you're going to have some shelves all inside, be able to put any kind of pants, shirts, whatever you need. Then you're also going to have a wardrobe closet right there. Guys, this is a fantastic floor plan. It is in awesome condition. Come out, check us out. This is one of the many pre-owned RVs that we have here at Open Roads. A lot of people have been asking for those $30,000 and under fifth wheels and even travel trailers. This is one to check out. So come check us out at 316 North Point Parkway, or you can check us out at 3003 US 411 White, Georgia. Or of course, you can always check us out at openroads.us. Hope to talk to you guys soon. If you guys have any requests, please comment on the videos, or you guys can actually call us up directly. Let us know what you're looking for. We're here to help. Again, my name's Dylan, and I'm with Open Roads.